Hey y'all, here I am showing my chicken, and here I am seasoning with fajita seasoned salt, Cajun two-step, and Cajun. Seasoning it all up right now. I have to tap that bottle a little bit. Make sure y'all season both sides and rub it in real good. Here I am just rubbing it all in really good. Flipping it over to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, here I am finna getting my pasta ready. Here I am putting the noodles in the water. It wasn't really that much pasta in the box, so I added a little bit of more off camera. Here I am gonna put my chicken in the air fryer. Set it to 400. For 25 minutes. And I'll be back. I'm back, y'all. And I'm just gonna chop my chicken up. It was still hot because I just got it out the air fryer. So bear with me, guys, while I cut my chicken up. I was using the fork because it was still hot, but I was like, forget this fork. And I just used my hand. Of course, I burnt my finger. Because I like my food nice and hot and ready. Okay, my chicken is cut up now. Here I'm showing y'all cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. My spoon was too big, so I had to get a smaller spoon. And I melted some Velveeta cheese as well. And I just used a little bit of that to put in my spaghetti. And by the way, guys, I made chicken spaghetti in this video. Mixing it all together. And I did add chicken broth to like moisturize it and mix it in better. Mix. Y'all see that That pasta, bro, looks so good just by looking at it. It looks so good. I'm gonna add my chicken now. I'm adding my chicken. Now I'm gonna mix my chicken in with my pasta, and then here's my kids loving their meal, and that's all. Bye guys.